Jehovah is your name. Jehovah is your name. Hello, lovely viewers. This is your girl Eveee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients, and you know it. So I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys for how far we have come. Is the doing of the Lord, and it's so marvelous in my eyes. Thank you, friends and family, for the support so far. So today I bring to you how I made this beautiful green chili sauce. I enjoy my green chili sauce with rice, banku, kenke, bread, and I also use as my marinade for chicken, beef, and tilapia. Yes, and I bet you need to try this. Okay, so let's go. So over here I have my ingredients. I'll be listing in the description box, so you check it out. Okay, so I have some green peppers, some scallions, onions, some chili peppers, petite pepper. I have some powdered shrimp, salt to taste, and this oil I scooped from my chicken broth, so it's flavorful. And casa, that's what I'll be using. So let's go. So over here I prep all my ingredients. So now that all my ingredients are ready, let's get cooking. So in my blender, I blend the ingredients. So depending on how big your blender is, you can do it bit by bit. But then I have my scallops on fire with my oil in it. So after blending, I'll just pour it into my scallop. So I am using cooking oil to facilitate the blending process. Yes, don't use water, please. Okay, so you can see at this point I add the remaining into my scallop, and it is cooking already. Using water to blend is going to prolong your cooking process. So over here, I stir it gradually for it to incorporate into each other, but please, it should be on a medium to low heat. Either than that, it's gonna burn. So this is 8 minutes into the cooking, and you can see our green chili sauce is doing great here. So just look at it. So I add some rosemary to it, and this is optional. You can choose to omit it. Green chili sauce requires constant stirring. Yes, either than that, it's gonna burn. Okay, so friends and family, watch out for that. Okay, so at this point, you can see it's doing great. It's flavorful, it's beautiful as well. So after allowing it to cook for about 15 minutes, I add my powdered shrimp and then some salt to taste. And then you stir it and allow it to cook for extra 5 minutes. And just look at it. Yeah, kono. I just like the color. Look at the green. The oil has become green. Yeah, so sometimes if you can't prepare shito, just make green chili sauce and you are gonna enjoy it. Yeah, you can also do it as business. Yeah, people order green chili sauce from me and I do it for them. So at this point I add some onga tablets, which is also optional, but adding it is good because it's going to make it tasty and flavorful. So at this point, our green chili sauce is ready. So I'll just put off the fire, allow it to cool down, and then bottle it. So here we are. Just look at how thick it is. And then I love the texture here. You can bite into the onions, the ginger, and then the greenies. I hope you understand. Yeah, so why don't you try this at home and send me a comment. Enough with the red stew, okay? Let's make some green chili sauce. Green is better, you know. If you agree with me, just send me a thumbs up in the comment section. Yeah, so we are done, okay? So now we are going to enjoy this green chili sauce with some soft kinky shrimp, canned beef, and sausages. So if you like this video, just give your girl some thumbs up, like this video, and please subscribe and share to your family and friends. So see you in our next video. Bye.